Hello. As part of the activities that we have to make in this module, we have been asked to promote a Windows Server virtual machine to a domain controller. And we are creating this video to prove this activity. First, we will demonstrate that the Active Directory is installed in this server by going to manage other role and features. Here, we are going to see that the role for Active Directory um, domain servers services are active. We will wait on this and we can go here to see that the Microsoft Windows Active Directory domain servers service is active. It is taking a while. We are going to check on the name of the domain, which is here. And here's the um, user domain admin for the domain. And here is also right here we can confirm that the Active Directory service is installed. And that's it for this video. Thank you very much.